7 easy freelance jobs you can start without experience. Thinking of ways to make some money? Then why not try freelancing? Freelancing is a great way to earn money from home, and if you do it right, you can turn it into a successful business one day. But like any industry, the freelancing industry can be tough to get in. Some roles have high barriers to entry, but as always, we've decided to make things easier for you by curating some freelancing jobs that are perfect for beginners. In this video, we'll take a look at 7 freelance jobs you can start without any experience. We've also got a bonus just for you at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end. Hi there and welcome to After School TV. We inspire you to explore opportunities to achieve your life goals and make more impact. If you're new here, do us a favor and comment, and of course, subscribe to this channel. So let's get to it. 1. Translation. If you know another language like the back of your hand, then a translating job is perfect for you. This online job requires no experience and can be done anytime from anywhere. You may need to charge lower rates at the start, but once you're competent in this position, have a solid portfolio, and have good reviews and clients behind you, then you can increase your rates. How much you charge and the type of job you get will depend on the languages you want to translate. As a beginner, you will probably find it easiest to translate more general text like novels. So when you become more confident, you can work where accuracy is more important, like an academic paper, which will likely pay more. 2. Customer service. Most customer service jobs out there are likely to be entry-level remote jobs, as you don't need a particular skill to be able to do it. Most companies will be happy to teach you along the way, as long as you're friendly and prepared to deal with customers that may be upset or difficult. This role is perfect for you. While most customer service roles require you to speak to people on the phone, some jobs work via live chat or email. If you're uncomfortable talking to people on the phone, you can look for those instead. Companies are eager to have remote customer service workers, as it saves them rent and allows them to employ people from all over easily. 3. Virtual assistant. There are so many virtual assistance jobs out there. They don't require you to have any particular skills or experience, making it a great entry-level remote job. A virtual assistant is required to support businesses, big and small, and even individuals juggling a large workload. Essentially, you'll be doing the things that they don't want to or don't have time to do. Your main tasks will likely be admin-based, such as making or taking bookings, conducting online research, project management, data entry, transcribing, and internal communication. If agreed with, you could even be doing some more specific work in one-off jobs. As long as you're willing to learn, follow instructions, and don't mind doing some more menial tasks, you should be good to go. 4. Proofreading. Proofreading requires you to have exceptional grammar skills and to understand the rules of grammar. If you don't mind scanning endless text looking for grammar and spelling mistakes, then this is a great entry-level remote job for you. If you like reading and have an eye for details, then proofreading is for you. What you will be proofreading depends entirely on the role. You could be reading a 400-page novel or all the content on a website. The list is varied, but that helps keep it more interesting. Again, depending on your client's wants, they may require you to do some basic editing tasks such as layout. You may also need to do some minor editing if you feel a section of text could be improved. 5. Data entry. Most data entry jobs don't require any experience, as you can be sent all the materials online. It can quickly be done remotely. One of the critical skills to have for this job is typing relatively fast without making many errors. Data entry jobs aren't the most exciting freelance jobs out there. You'll probably have to stare at massive databases all day long and simply add data to them. But like all freelancing jobs, you can do it from anywhere, including a poolside. 6. Transcription. Transcription may not be the most thrilling job, but as long as you type fast, then you're all set to become a transcriptionist. The work entails converting audio or video to text, so it requires some careful listening and the need to pay attention to detail. There are no certificates or qualifications you need to get started. Still, some companies may require you to have at least 80 words per minute typing speed, more than 98% accuracy, and excellent grammar and proofreading skills. There are different ways to get paid as a transcriptionist, either by job or an audio minute or hour. So, the quicker you get the work done, the more money you can make. 7. Photo editing. Do you have some skills when it comes to editing photos? Can you use photo editing software such as Photoshop or Pixlr? Then freelance photo editing could be a freelance role worth pursuing. Not only is photo editing a perfect entry-level remote job, but you can also let your creativity shine. If you don't have the skills already, free courses online can help you get up to scratch. Images are vital when running an online business. There are thousands of online e-commerce stores out there that need high-quality photos to keep their businesses running. There you have it, 7 easy freelance jobs you can start without experience. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. But before we leave, here's that bonus we promised. Bonus: content writing. If you can write, chances are you will be able to get a job in content writing. Jobs may start off paying low, but the more work you do and the better reputation you build, the higher paying jobs you will be able to take. It really is one of the best online jobs with no experience needed out there. Don't forget to click the like and the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you will get an alert whenever we drop a video. Leave a comment below. Tell us the jobs you're most interested in.